right, YouTubers, this is take number 2. I opened the door in the microwave and it's so heavy it almost fell over on my head and face, and I caught it before it hit the stovetop and let it down gently. But I got this L bracket under here and a little scrap piece of rubber underneath it there. So that keeps from flopping forward, since this is made to bolt to the top of the cabinet bottom. Over here on this side, I have a piece of this rubber, the same stuff I cut a little piece under there to jam under there, and a wet paper towel to absorb the plaster dust after I drilled it out with that size. So we're going to get this out of the way. This rubbery stuff is great. Anybody, people that have driven truck and moved heavy paper rolls, they load them on end and they put this on the bottom of the skid to keep the paper roll from sliding around on it, and then they band it to the skid. Then it falls over in one complete unit in your truck if you go around over your trailer if you go around a turn too fast. So we'll see. I won't need a rubber spacer on this end because it should be pretty darn close to that. And I gotta go with this type because there's no stud behind the wall over here. Maybe I should get this top one in here. Get two of them going in simultaneously here. Oh, that screwed it up good. Release the tension. Release the cracking. Come on, get in there. Ah, boy. It's jammed. Now it's unjammed. Okay. Okay, Jose. I'm having a coordination problem. Come on, get in there. All right. Turn it forward. Fast forward to screw in. Where's the football and the monkey? I'm liking it. Seems like it's holding it tight. All right, that's a little cockeyed, but nobody's going to see that from floor level. I may put a little rubber shim under there too, just for extra tightness. I think I'll do that now while I got you up here with the camera. Get the skeezers here. Fold it over a few times. Gotta get the jam under tool, also known as a screwdriver. Pry up, jam under, case closed. I also had to drill in here and and put carriage bolts with lock washers in there, because this bar sort of came loose. So now that's in place. And in one of the earlier videos, I had an accident where I sliced my finger. That was the cleanup stuff, and this is said finger. I put after the bleeding stopped, I cleaned it off. If the skin was stuck together, I put some new skin on top, let that dry a bit, stuck some paper towel in there, give it another layer of new skin, and it's holding pretty good. That stays a couple days, my finger should be healed. Yeah, that's still got a little bit wiggle, but it's not coming over. Let's see if I got the rest of the pieces around here. The critical piece. I had it. Oh, here it is. I also put a rubber shim under here to bring the level up, because after I bolted this together, that changed the level. All right, that should rotate. Now I'll have to read the directions and learn how to operate this thing. Not bad, I can live with that. It's not falling over. Life is good. God bless the YouTubers. Can you see that handsome guy in the reflection? Oh, brother, I got a bridge for you to buy.